Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to another lecture of our stack series. And in the previous couple of videos, we learned about implementation of a stack using array and linked list. All right, and there we learned how to make a structure of a stack and how to implement these functions: push, pop, empty, size, and top. All right, and um, if talking about this video, what we are going to learn in this video. So in this video we are going to learn about implementation of stack using inbuilt STL C++ class. STL, as you know, stands for standard template library. So that means that C++ has already been occupied with a stack class which we can use rather than creating our own structure of stack. All right. So before diving into that, let's first talk about the applications of stack. You must be wondering why are we learning about this stack structure? Like what is the use of it? So the first use is कि stack can be used to check for the balancing of parentheses in an expression. Alright. Suppose if you have been given a code and you write something this and then this. So this must check that this has been opened last, so this must be closed first. This is the first one, so this must be closed in the end. So this is a basic parenthesis question, and we'll learn about it and we'll see more of it in a separate video. All right, and other than that, we can see that redo undo features are at many places such as editors, photoshops. You have like seen in many editors like Microsoft Word or Adobe Photoshop that we can redo and undo in them, right? So that feature requires stack and forward and backward features in web browsers. So while browsing in a web browser, so like you have to come back to the previous page, so you click this icon, right, and then if you have to do something like if you have to go forward, you then click the forward icon. So that thing also uses the stack data structure. All right, now let's talk about the implementation using C++ STL. All right, so let's try and write a code. All right, so to create a STL stack, what we do is we write stack type of data structure in it. Suppose for now it is int and its name. So s is the name. All right. So if I have to push something in it, what I simply do, I simply write s dot push and the value. Similarly, similarly, all right. So what we did exactly here is we made a stack with values like this: 30, 20, 10. All right. So this is what we did till now. All right. Now suppose I write cout s dot size, then I write cout s dot top, and now if I do s dot pop, now I write cout s dot top, now suppose I push something in it like 0, and then I do cout s dot top. Alright, and now I'll do cout s dot empty. I guess that this much code is enough to help you understand the stack STL functions. All right. So we talked about the push one, right? Now I did s dot size. So s dot size basically returns the size of this. So currently size is 3. So we should get the output as 3. Then we wrote cout s dot top. S dot top should return the top value of our stack, which is right now 30. All right, and then we pop this element. S dot pop basically removes the top element. It is a non-returnable function, so it just removes the top element. Okay, so just this. After this, we again write s dot top. That means we'll get the output as 20. And after that, we push 0 in it, s dot push. So we'll get the output as 0. We did s dot top, and then we did cout s dot empty, which will return either the stack is empty or not. All right, so let's try and run this code. Let's see if our output and the terminal's output is same or not. Okay, we got 3, 20, 0 and 0. Let's change it to 5 so you can get the idea of the 0 and why 0 is coming. Okay, 3, 30, 25 and 0. 320 and okay, wait. What we did exactly. Alright, so we're getting the same output 3, 30, 25 and 0. This basically returns 1 if the stack is empty, otherwise 0. So our stack is clearly not empty here, so we'll get an output as 0. Alright, so these are all the functions of our stack C++ STL library. Alright, so we don't have to like explicitly create a structure for a stack, rather than we can use the inbuilt stack class, which can be used like this. Alright, so I guess that was it for this video. I hope you learned how to use the STL C++ stack class, and also I hope you learned about the applications of stack. And in the upcoming videos, we'll be looking at some of the questions based on stack, so you'll understand the concept better. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt regarding this lecture, please put down in the comment section. See you later.